Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to block and unblock someone on Pinterest. Before you get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Now I am going to open up the Pinterest app in my iPhone. You can do the same steps on Android as well. I will tap on, let's say, this top right image here, and you can see right under the image is the profile name of whoever posted this image. So I am going to tap on the profile hanger and I can go here. If I want to block this account, I can block them, and I will show you how to unblock them. So you will write next to follow on the right or those three dots. I will tap on those and then it gives me the option to block this profile. So I can hit the block and it says if you block this user, you can still view each other profile, but you cannot message, follow or save each other's pins. So I can block them now. This account is blocked, and if I ever want to unblock it, I can always just go back to this specific account, tap those three dots again and hit unblock. Unfortunately, on Pinterest there is no way to find a block list of all the people or accounts that you have blocked. So you need to find their specific profile and go back to their profile to be able to go through and unblock them. So this is the way how you can block and unblock someone on Pinterest. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.